Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for the geography class, and today we are going to study that is chapter number 3, water bodies. Now what are you going to study from here? Here it says water bodies and their important rivers and causes of a river, ocean, seas, lakes, and pollution of water bodies. Here it says, do you know why Earth is also called the blue planet? Water is essential for life to exist. On Earth, can you name some forms in which water exists on our Earth? Okay, you can see here, it is called as blue planet. Okay, as I read for you, please follow. Water bodies. Here it says, more than 95% of the Earth's water is found in the oceans, but it is too salty for human use. Only 3% is available as fresh water for human being. Now, very interesting, students. 95% of the earth water is found in the ocean, but it is too salty for the human being to use. Only 3% is available as a fresh water for human beings. Only 3%. Okay, oceans. What is oceans? A huge water bodies on the surface of the earth are called oceans. All the oceans of the world are interconnected with each other. The 5 major oceans according to their size are, so there are 5 oceans. First one, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So students, there are 5 major oceans of the world are given here. Okay, the first one we are going to study about Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. So it is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world and covers about 1/3 of the total surface area of the earth. It covers an area of about 181 million square kilometers. The continents of Asia, Australia, North America, and South America surrounds it. This ocean is almost circular in shape. Challenger Deep, about 11,034 meters below the sea level. The deepest point of the Earth's surface is located in the Mariana Trench. And these oceans also has the maximum active volcanoes. This circular chain of active volcanoes is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Page number 35. Second ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, it is the second largest ocean. It has many natural harbors and ports, which makes it's the busiest ocean. From the point of commerce and trade, it is roughly half the size of Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is an elongated S-shaped basin extending along North America and South America in the west and Eurasia and Africa in the east. So it is surrounded in from North America, South America in the west, and the Eurasia and Africa in the east. Third one is given here, Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean in the world which named after a country. Now which country? India. India became Indian Ocean. And it is the third largest ocean of the world. So Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world, covering approximately 20% of the water on the earth's surface. The shape of this ocean is almost triangular. To the north of Indian Ocean, it is the continent of Asia, to the west in Africa, and to the east of is Australia. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are 2 important parts of this ocean, and it is the warmest ocean in the world. So you can see here, student, about Indian Ocean. Now this continent is Indian Ocean is the continent of the Asia, to the west in Africa, and also to the east in Australia. And there are 2 main important ocean is given here. It is a part of Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, so in the next class we are going to study about the Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, and then we have Arctic Ocean. So for your homework you can read page number 35 and 36. Thank you all of you, and God bless you all.